Good morning, I'm Dr. Deukmedjian with the Deuk Spine Institute. And this patient who I'm sitting with traveled from Costa Rica to Deuk Spine Institute to have 2 herniated discs in her neck repaired with the Deuk Laser Disc Repair. You suffered with neck pain for a long time.
Yeah, for about 7 months from an injury when I was traveling, feeling in my fingers, lost feeling in my fingers, a lot of headaches, for debilitating headaches at least once a week.
So common symptoms from a herniated disc in the neck, hand symptoms, numbness, tingling, weakness, headaches, neck pain, and you had the Deuk Laser Disc Repair. We went in with the laser endoscopically and repaired the tear in the back of your disc, got rid of the herniations that were causing your symptoms. How do you feel now that you had that procedure done?
I feel great, feel really good. I'd say the only thing is a little bit of a scratchy throat from the intubation, but other than that, I feel great, smiley.
Well, let's talk about the headaches you had. So you had them every day before?
Yeah, I woke up with I'd say pain level of a 5 every day, the headache, and just kind of got really good at living life with headaches.
So do you have the headaches today?
No headaches today.
Gone.
Yeah. Depending on what I was doing, it would be in bed by 5 p.m. just from...
Isn't it amazing?
It's really great.
And your hands, how are your hands doing today?
I can feel them. They're good. Yeah, I can feel my fingers. They're not numbness. I don't have to go like this every couple of minutes just to feel them again. So feeling really good.
Now, you're a yoga instructor and you have a farm in Costa Rica. Tell us a little bit about how your herniated discs in the neck affected your everyday life.
So I herniated my discs in June, and I tried to keep up with normal life, trying to kind of push through for about a couple of months. And then mid-September, I decided it was time just to stop putting so much pressure on my body. So I quit my yoga teaching job and didn't. And I told my farmers that I couldn't really do any work. So basically completely lost touch with my jobs and just kind of had to manage the farm and walk and tell my team what to do. And with yoga, I completely destroyed my yoga teaching job.
So the things that you loved in your life, obviously, to do, you were not able to do because of your problems with your neck.
Exactly. I'm super, super athletic and always moving, and I love to run on the beach at least once a week. I like to climb. I own a cacao farm. I like to climb the trees, pick the cacao, instead of just being like, can you get that one for me? Pick the fruits from all my fruit trees, dig out the ginger. I couldn't really do that. I just kind of stood by and watched life go by before me.
What's life going to be like now that your neck is fixed with our Deuk Laser Disc Repair?
Once I'm able to do yoga in 2 weeks, I'll be back to that, stretching, get my body back, get my fitness level back, get my confidence back. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to be able to do all the things I do, to work with my farmers and be part of the team, not just guiding the team.
You look excited. Let's talk for a minute about your experience of finding Deuk Spine Institute and doing our MRI review. How was that for you?
Easy. We did it on Zoom, quick Zoom call. My partner and I we don't like to take medicines. We're more of an alternative couple. So when I went to the neurologist where I live, said they wanted to remove the disc, put a little plastic disc back in, possibly spinal fusion. Same with my neurologist where my parents live. They wanted me to get a review in the States in case it was different. And that neurologist as well just was really pushing steroids and steroid injections and flying to and from Costa Rica for the injections, which every time I travel hurts my neck because we live 4.5 hours away from the airport in Costa Rica. So we were looking for something, and so we typed, as soon as we knew that I had a herniated disc in a C5, C6, and C6, C7, we started doing our own research onto what alternatives were, and we found you right away and did our own research into what the treatment was. And you have great information on your website, which is really nice. It felt like a no-brainer. They took a little convincing for my family and whatnot because they're used to just, the typical things that they tell you to do. Steroids, spinal fusion, do it in the country where we're from. But once you can be the pioneer of your own medical journey and really pushed for this surgery, they were all on board, and it's so grateful I did it. I feel great. I don't think I would feel like this after a spinal fusion less than 24 hours later.
Well, that's really a touching story. And, for me as a surgeon, what I love is to be able to help people like you avoid dangerous treatments that really don't work and affect you and scar you for the rest of your life. You had the best treatment in the world available today. I'm glad you're here, and I'm so thankful that you came, had faith in us, and believed in us. Anything else you want to say to your fans out there?
Do it. If you're looking for it, do it. I've spoke to many people that said, don't do surgery, or too young, don't do it. But I'm also too young not to move and to have my whole life changed, like a complete lifestyle change for the last 7 months. And it's not worth it. Your life belongs to you. Your choice is in your hands. Find this surgery.
Well, congratulations, and have safe travels back to Costa Rica.